Hello friends, welcome back. Jay Sparkle here today. Today you guys, I am going to try this palette for the first time, and it's from Murphy and it's Rose to Fame. I have never really tried this out before. It's new, you guys. So I just take off the top here so I can see. So it's not like I go into it and I know how the color are. I don't really know how the color are. So I just want to say, if it's your first time here, welcome you guys. I am here just trying to get myself in order. So you can see I'm taking off the stuff off the palette. This is the eyeshadow palette here that I am willing to try out today on my eyes. So I have quite a few of Murphy palette, and you can see how it comes like this here. I think you have 9 color in this small eyeshadow palette. So these are the color right here, and you have a lot of natural um, color from it. So today let's try this out. So if you want to see you guys continue watching. So I'm back with my palette here, and I'm going to go into this sort of dark brown one here, and I'm just gonna apply it over the eye here. And guys, if you hear something in the background, is my fan. It's really hot. So I'm gonna go back into the same dark color and just apply it to my eyes. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching with this natural eye look and from Murphy, and the eyeshadow palette is Rose to Fame. So this is the eyeshadow that I used today. The color are beautiful, they are amazing guys, it doesn't fall out. I just want to say have a great day, and I will see you soon. And if you're in a sub, please subscribe. Thank you again. God bless you. I will see you soon.